What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we are in LA. What is this, Woodland Hills area? I don't know, clearly I'm not from here. My brother's in here, but he wants to pretend like he doesn't want to be a part of it. We're just here for the day, so we're just gonna take you along. No clue, so bye! Did you take a picture of the Lambo?
Yeah.
Gotta try the world's best ice cream, apparently. There it is.
Best ice cream in the world. We were 12.
Look at this sign right here.
What's wrong? What's wrong?
Can I get a twist in a cup with chocolate sprinkles, please? Thank you.
Oh, look at the chocolate sprinkles.
Cute. Good. COVID clearly does not exist in LA.
Right? Or are you guys hungry? It's up to the kids. What the kids want to do, because I can hold out. Are you guys hungry? Universal.
Bring him the water. You guys suck as kids. I'm on my own owl. Don't at me on it. Slytherin is the best house.
No, it's Gryffindor.
You're so annoying.
Stupefied.
Afraid, Potter? Afraid, Potter? You wish.
Not me, not Hermione, you. Dobby's free. You get a sock. Slytherin.
Oh my god, how cute.
You're in heaven.
Oh.
They actually have a donut.
Good. On the knee.
No.
Get on one knee, Eagle. Get on one knee. Giants. Giants.
Are long lasting.
Oh, look at my baby. Oh my goodness, look. It's toothless. Look, oh my god. I should get this for Dexter.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's just very awkward.
Gee.
What are your thoughts in Universal?
That it's really hot. My arms are burnt. And I bought a $20 toy for my dog. Look at this. I got a little toothless.
Cute.
Oh my god. I didn't get the backpack, it was too boo-boo. Sad times. There's the bay.
Yeah. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Whenever I try to be cute, I fail.
Yeah. slowest zoom in my life. Like the whole. Look at this.
We are back at the apartment.
One, two, three.
She stole my burrito.
I lost because all of you were hacking.
My burrito.
Asher has the bed in my room.
Okay.
I gotta take off my socks.
This is serious. I'm gonna split and hurt myself.
Alright,
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
They both right here. Oh!
Jeez! Did you hit him? Did he hit you?
He went to the roof.
Nico, you're in my way.
Yeah, you sabotaged him. The birthday boy is the winner.
Good game, Zach. Good game.
You want to grab it first?
Good night.
Yeah, that's that group.
Oh. I'll be sleeping in this bougie air mattress.